At A level, you're going to be expected to draw a quadratic graph just from the equation and label all of the intercepts and the turning point, and that's what we're going to do today. You will need to know 5 pieces of information to sketch a quadratic graph. First, you will need to know if the quadratic is positive or negative. If the coefficient of the x squared term is positive, the graph will be U-shaped. If the coefficient of the x squared term is negative, the graph will be upside down U-shaped or lowercase n-shaped. You will need to know the y-intercept. You can find this by setting x to 0. This will always be the number term, or c. The roots are next. Solve the equation for when it equals 0 to find these. Finally, you will normally be asked to label the turning point. For positive quadratics like this one, it will be a minimum point. For negative quadratic graphs, it will be a maximum point. We find its value by completing the square. Let's go through these questions. The coefficient of the x squared here is positive, so the graph will be U-shaped. Notice that we don't know where the graph is yet. The number term is 24, so the y-intercept will be 24. Next, we need to find the roots by solving when the equation equals 0. Notice that the roots are -6 and -4, so our graph is in the wrong place. It's always best to sketch when you know the values. To find the turning point, we need to complete the square. The x-coordinate of the turning point is the opposite sign of the number term inside the bracket. We have a +5 in the bracket, so the x-coordinate will be -5. The y-coordinate is the number term at the end. Label this onto the diagram. The line of symmetry will be a vertical line passing through the turning point. At every point along the line, x will be -5, so the equation will be x equals -5. Let's finish on this. If a quadratic has 2 roots, it passes the x-axis twice. What will it look like if it only has 1 or no roots? If you know, write it in the comments below. And also come to onmaths.com or click the link in the description. You can access all our A-level papers and predictions for free, and you can even save your scores with a free account. This video is part of a larger A-level course that you can follow along with at onmaths.com.